This is part 2 of building a serial link system in Topology Explorer System SI tool. In this video, we are going to connect all the blocks you have placed in previous tutorial and check connectivity between RX and TX using check connectivity tool on System SI workflow. So let's get started. In the very first step, we'll download the demo file from the link given in the description, then open Topology Explorer 17.4. Select Advanced SI2 license and click on Open button. And once the topology workbench is open, we are going to open existing design. Let's locate where you have extracted the file. Select SLS_1 topology file and click on Open button. Now after opening the topology, we are going to connect all these blocks. So we'll start with connecting transmitter and transmitter package. So we'll just zoom in here and we are going to connect TX out pin to pin D1. So let's connect that. And once we'll do it, the connection definition window will open. Now in the connection definition window, first we are going to unconnect power net. So here you can see the power net is connected to VDD IO phase of transmitter package. Since we are going with ideal power, so we are just going to disconnect it. Here we go. And here we have differential signals of transmitter connected to differential signals of transmitter package. And ground is connected to VSS. So let's close this window. Next we are going to connect transmitter package to channel. So let's do that. And again, connection definition window will open. So here you can see these pins are wrongly connected as of now. We are just going to disconnect those and connect those properly. So minus will be connected to negative and positive connection will be connected to clock P. All right, here we go. So we have made those connections correct. Again, close this window. Next, we are going to connect channel and RX package. So U34 of channel will be connected to D1 of receiving package. So let's connect that. Here, make sure negative should be connected to minus. Clock will be connected to positive of phase phi DM_P and ground is VSS. So this is correct. Next, we are going to connect BGA pin of receiving package to RX in. And here we have to make sure this is negative, positive. Let's disconnect power since we are going with ideal power and here we go. So here we have made all the connections between these blocks. Let's click over zoom fit. For this simulation, we are not going to use any buffer output. So we'll leave those unconnected. Now in the next step, we are going to check the connectivity using check connectivity tool. So let's click there and click over check button. Once we'll do that, here we can see the receiver and transmitters are connected properly. And if you want, you can see the frequency response of these connection. So here we'll have amplitude versus frequency plot. There is a very minute attenuation as we are increasing the frequency. So if you want, you can plot it for different frequencies or more higher frequencies. So let's close this 2D curve. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll set up analysis option before performing the simulation and then run the analysis. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.